Ever wonder why your energy bill is so high? Discover simple home energy hacks that can save you hundreds and help the planet. Hello and welcome back to Eco-Friendly Fact. Today, we're talking about home energy hacks. The average American household spends about $2,000 a year on energy, and yet $200 to $400 of that could be wasted because of drafts and air leaks. With energy prices rising, many families feel the squeeze. But the good news is that small changes can make a big difference for your wallet and for the environment. Let's dive into simple ways to save money and reduce your carbon footprint right at home. Step 1. Seal the leaks and insulate. Many homes in the USA are drafty. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, sealing air leaks and adding insulation can reduce heating and cooling costs by 5 to 30%. Air can leak around windows, doors, and even electrical outlets. Use caulk and weather stripping to seal those gaps. If your attic or basement is not well insulated, adding insulation keeps warm air in during winter and cool air in during summer. Real-life example. In Minnesota, the Johnson family added weather stripping to their doors and sealed gaps around the windows. Their heating bill went down by 20% and their home felt more comfortable during winter. Step 2. Make heating and cooling more efficient. Heating and cooling account for about 43% of a typical home's utility bill. Here are some hacks. Install a programmable or smart thermostat. Setting it back 7 to 10 degrees for 8 hours a day can save you up to 10% on heating and cooling costs. Seal and insulate ducts. Leaky ducts can lose up to 60% of the heated or cooled air before it reaches your rooms. Sealing ducts keeps air where you need it. Maintain or upgrade your HVAC system. Properly maintained equipment can cut heating and cooling energy use by 20 to 50%. Change filters regularly and schedule annual checkups. Use ceiling fans. In summer, fans create a breeze, letting you set the thermostat higher without sacrificing comfort. In winter, reverse the fan direction to push warm air down. Real-life example. In Texas, Sarah installed a programmable thermostat and started turning it down at night. She noticed her electric bill drop by $15 to $20 each month without any loss of comfort.
Step 3. Tackle appliances and lighting.
Household appliances and lighting make up around 15% of a typical energy bill. Here's what you can do. Switch to LED bulbs. Lighting accounts for about 15% of home electricity use, and switching to LEDs can save an average household around $225 per year. LEDs use up to 90% less energy and last much longer than incandescent bulbs. Use smart power strips. Many devices draw power even when turned off, known as phantom load or energy vampires. Idle loads can account for up to 10% of your electric bill, costing the average household up to $100 per year. Unplug chargers and electronics when not in use, or plug them into a smart power strip. Upgrade to energy-efficient appliances. When it's time to replace appliances, look for Energy Star certified models. These use less energy and water, saving money over time. Real-life example. The Rojas family in California replaced all of their old bulbs with LEDs and started unplugging unused electronics. Their monthly electric bill dropped by about 15%. They also noticed the cooler light made their home more inviting. Step 4. Save on water heating and other uses. Water heating is the third largest energy expense, making up around 12% of your utility bill. Try these tips. Lower the water heater temperature to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough for showers but more efficient. Insulate the water heater and pipes to reduce heat loss. Fix leaky faucets and install low-flow shower heads. Reducing hot water use cuts both energy and water bills. Consider a heat pump water heater for big savings if your current unit is old. Other small habits also add up. Wash clothes in cold water, air dry laundry when possible, and run full loads to maximize efficiency. Environmental and sustainability perspective. Why do these hacks matter beyond saving money? Homes and commercial buildings consume about 40% of all energy used in the United States. When we waste energy, we force power plants to burn more fuel, releasing more carbon dioxide and pollutants. By sealing leaks, using efficient lighting, and reducing phantom loads, we cut energy demand, which reduces greenhouse gas emissions and improves air quality. Each kilowatt hour saved lowers your personal carbon footprint and helps fight climate change.
Practical tips recap. Seal leaks around windows, doors, and ducts. Use insulation and programmable thermostats. Switch to LED lighting and unplug unused devices. Maintain heating and cooling systems. Reduce water heating temperature and fix leaks. Take advantage of local rebates or tax incentives. Many states and utilities offer rebates for insulation, thermostats, heat pumps, and energy-efficient appliances. Every household can make a difference. Whether you rent or own, adopting a few of these energy hacks can lower your bills and shrink your carbon footprint. Start small. Replace one light bulb, seal one draft, adjust your thermostat, and see the savings add up. Share your favorite home energy tips in the comments and let us know how much you've saved. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Eco-Friendly Fact, and ring the bell so you never miss our eco-friendly tips. Together, we can build a greener, more affordable future.